This is the continuity of this of previous video. We have written and took the test. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. See properly. Here this is the division sign. ಏನಿದು ಸೈನು? ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಸೈನ್. This is the division sign. First one, the question will be 18 divided by 2. We have to learn how to read the question also. Say 18 divided by 2. Say 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2. Last year also you have learnt. If somebody forgotten, so I'll help you to remember. 16 divided by 2. 17 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2. 5 questions I'll teach you. First, this is called as this 18 is called as dividend, divisor, and we will be getting the answer. For that answer we will say quotient. For that answer we will say quotient, and something will be left over. That is called as remainder. Q means quotient. First one, we should show the working. 18, this is the big number. Always left hand side will be the big number and this side small number will be. Okay, here what tables we have to take, student? 2 ones we have to take. See, write the 18, leave one finger gap and write 18, then put right curve and left curve, then write the 2 ones tables like this. Very easy. Whatever question is there, you have to represent like that only. 2 bracket then 18. Now tell me 2 ones are tables till 18. Say 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. Stop. 18 we got, no? 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. 8 minus 8 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. This is the working of this division. This is one finished. Now second one I am doing. See, here I have written the number 2. One finger gap I am giving. Then 16 I am writing. Then in this bracket I am writing 2. And this bracket I should write the answer. Say 2 ones are till 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. 2 how many is are? 2 eights are 16. 16 is here, 2 is here. What is not there? 8. That 8 should come here and followed by the minus. You have to write the minus and write 16. 6 minus 6 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Understood? Yes. 17. What I should write here? 2. Say 2 ones are till 17. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. Ma'am, we won't get 17 in the 2 ones tables. Like that you can give the answer for me, no? 17 will not come in 2 ones tables. So we have to take 18 or 16. Can we minus from 17 18? No. So what number is there? Below that number only we have to take the numbers. Below that what number is there? See, 2 nines are 18. We have to write small number. Nearest to this number we have to write. So this is not possible. Again 2 8s are 16 only we have to take. 2 8s are 16. 7 minus 6 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Understood? 2 8s are no. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Understood? 2 8s are 16. I forgot to put the minus. You should not forget. 17 minus 16 will be 1. Next 15 is there. In 2 ones are, can we say 15 will come? No. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. 16 is more than this number, so we should not take. So 2 sevens are 14, we should take. 2 sevens are 14. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Practice correctly and neatly, student. This is very important this year. Say 2 ones are till 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. That 7 in your finger, how many fingers you have opened? 7. That 7 should come here. And the answer should be written here. 14 minus 14 will be 0. Understood how we can write here in the sense? First one, this is the quotient. We have to write quotient, remainder 0. Here 8 is the quotient, remainder is 0. In this 8 again, 8 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. Here 7 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. In this 7 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. 7 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Understood? This one time do in the rough note. Here I have given date. Today I have taught Hindi and maths for you. Then English lesson I'll do. Then learn only lesson. Listening lesson. In this I'm going to give you English also. English lesson. Listen, okay? Thank you, students.